everyone, welcome back to Hands-On Learning. This is Human Ignition, and I will be going over the OO, the U vowel for the hiragana. See, this is what we learned last time. Now I'm going to erase it. U sounds like OO, like as in two, but it's a U. U. So we're going to do the U, U, MSK, MFU, I mean not MFU, MFY, RT. Okay, that should be all of our consonants. Let's see. A U is like a sideways U with, like this, with a little line over it. U. Ooh, there we go. So, U looks like this. Moo is like a cow. You got the little eye. You got the cheek. You got the face. Then you got the other eye. Moo, as in a cow. This is moo. Moo. Su. Su is like ma. Let's see. Which way is her bum? Su is like ma. She sits on her big ass. Okay? Su. You know she's not ma because she doesn't have the boobs right there, so she's younger. Su. Su sits on her big ass. Okay. Coo, as in like cuckoo bird. So what we're going to do here is we're going to draw a beak. Make sure the beak is facing this way. Now I go this way because that's how I see it, but you see how it is. See, if I turn it around, I look at it, it should match my paper. Yes. So it should face the left side of you when you're looking at it. Coo, as in a cuckoo bird. The beak, coo. 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 New. As a new. It doesn't work. New. Or a new car. New. We're gonna say new as in it's broken. As in we're saying no, but it sounds weird. New. So, new. The fox's tail is broken. See, it's broken. It's all bent backwards. See, this is the little fox. See? If this looks like a little fox, right? See, you could go like this. Be like a little fox. You just have to add his tail. See? So, new. we're gonna do a no with a little like that, and then we're gonna add that. No, the tail is broken. So sad. No. Or it needs a new tail. Works too. Foo. Foo as in F-U. Because this one has literally nothing I can make up about it. So F-U. F-U. Foo. 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 F-U. Foo. This is foo. Foo, foo, foo. Fooey. Okay, you. Why you? Why you? See, this is an old person. See, this is their head, and then they're bent over, and then here's their walking stick. You will get old. You will get old. Old like this person. You. This will be you someday. Two. Two is like you, except there's no line. You're gonna have to remember that. Two. 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 That is a two. Not in two, but T-U. Two. Well guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video as entertaining as I found making it. Now, I gotta get to the next video, so I'll see you guys later. Have a good day and good luck.